Welcome to the TMC Newsroom. This is Carl Ford. I am here today with Sam Johnson, the product manager from Trilithic, which has been around now for over 24 years.
Absolutely, yeah.
And you guys are like leaders in RF and microwave. How do I explain it? I'm not good at talking about what the division does, so why don't you help me?
Well, Trilithic itself is a large company consisted of 6 different divisions. I represent just one of those divisions, the RF and microwave division. We're a product leader in our types of filters and components and various other products like the attenuators, the switches, and so on. We have many, many years of experience combined between all of the engineers, people like myself and other people, the engineering techs and technicians that we have working for us. So it helps us put out a great product.
And most of the activity is associated with better signaling and making sure that you get better throughput on the signals between customers. Is that a good way to put it?
Yes and no.
Okay.
Yes and no. A lot of our products are used in primarily military. The RF microwave division is primarily military. So a lot of our products are used in guidance systems, radar systems, other things that we cannot talk about. And then as far as commercial, they're used in a lot of things like the signal processing, like you mentioned, for PCS, other different kinds of cell bands and other communications equipment to help in a lot of the tower applications. You've got so many different things going on at one time in that tower. It's very, very difficult to have everything being clean.
Right.
So what happens when you come in with some of our products help clean up and allow one site carrier that their signal goes through very clean and doesn't interfere or block out any of the other signals, and they don't get interference from those signals as well.
So, and you guys are working on the LTE side of the equation right now?
That's one of the biggest areas that we're starting with. We just this week introduced a new product line for us. It was an LTE duplexer for band 13, which is part of the 700 megahertz safety public safety band.
Okay.
So.
And you've got product to show here?
Yeah, one of the main products that we're showing here at the show is this AWS duplexer. This is a great product for in-building applications because of its small size and mass, and it's also another really good product for.
Okay.
We can manipulate this to use in other bands besides AWS, like LTE, PCS, and some of the other bands that a lot of the people here are interested in.
So indoor repeating is going to be probably a very large part of a lot of LTE strategies going forward, given
Yes.
Given the fact that we're expecting a 4-to-1 ratio of antennas in this world.
Is that the ratio
Yeah,
now?
you're going to need about 4 more antenna for when you get through all the data requirements and everybody looking for stuff. So this is for the indoor repeater. What else are we talking about here at CTIA?
Well, a lot of the other products that we do are used in their labs for testing. Before they can actually put it out to the public, they have to be able to test it and prove it. So we offer a lot of high-power attenuators. So when they have to do their power testing, they have to be able to dump that power into something. So we have terminations and attenuators for that. We also have a lot of programmable attenuators and rotary stepped attenuators, so they can introduce degradation into the signal to see what happens when they're blocked. You've got a bad weather coming in and that kind of thing. It helps them figure out just what they're capable of doing. And then we also introduce a lot of switching capability that they can test multiple products at one time in an automatic testing environment.
Okay, excellent. So thank you very much for your time, Sam. I appreciate it.
Not a problem. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you.